welcome. This is Cara, and I'm excited. I have another kit to share. Woohoo! All right, this one is called Song of Winter. So I did Song of Autumn, and now I have Song of Winter, and I'm sure I'll have Song of Spring and Song of Summer. I'm on a theme here. All right, so this one is 20 pages. So it's a pretty big kit. Has lots of fun goodies to work with, and let's just take a look. And this blue, I love this blue. All right, so here's the first page of the kit, and this might be my favorite. It has this mixed media background with those blues and some doilies and tickets, and then hot cocoa, and I have mocha over here for those cold winter days where you want to come in and get nice and warm and bundled up. And then this one, I have the kiddos doing a snowball fight. I love her expression, thinking, oh no, they're coming. And there's this cool aspen tree in this one. And then this one is a couple of doilies layered. I think this will look really fun as a journal page, and then you can add some more embellishments. I just think it'll look really fun. And then this one has the mugs and the cocoa, and then there's some coffee stains or hot cocoa stains on the page. And this one has some winter quotes with snowfall. We are like snowflakes, all different in our own beautiful way. And winter is the king of showmen, turning tree stumps into snowmen and houses into birthday cakes and spreading sugar over lakes, smooth and clean and frosty white. Excuse me. The world looks good enough to bite. That's the season to be young, catching snowflakes on your tongue. Snow is snowy when it's snowing. I'm sorry, it's slushy when it's going. And that's by Ogden Nash. Thought that was really fun. And here we have some music in the background and some winter birds sitting in their trees. And then here is this old winter text from an old book, and a kiddo with the snowman, and these kiddos over here are making a snowman. And then a little tag tucked behind. This one I included in the journal pages, but this really easily could be a background journal page that you could print on the backs of any of the other journal pages, like that. But I also thought it was bold enough to just be a regular journal page. And you could add a pocket or a tuck spot, and I just think the blue is beautiful. And here's some crocheted snowflakes. Thought those were really fun. And then I added some grunge, but it looks more like snow. And then there's also has a music sheet behind it. And this is the ice skating page. The kiddos are ice skating. And there's some snow flurries and a faint tree in the background. And then this one is some layered ephemera on a piece of wood plank. And here we have the 2 envelopes that are included in the kit. You won't have these black lines when you print. I just did that because I just wanted to make sure, because it was really kind of smushy to fit these on, but I wanted to make sure that they would print without getting cut off, and it just makes it. So, and here's 3 large tags. And then there's also 3 more tags. And then again, just like I've done before, I shrunk them down so you get 6 small tags. And then there's 2 pages of ephemera. So lots of ephemera that I used throughout. And then some other pieces like this. This is actually tucked behind a background of one of the papers. This is on a tag. And then there's some doilies and snowflakes and some other images. And then you have 3 background pages. This brown that could be used really whenever. It's not necessarily a Christmas, or winter kind of page. And then this blue, and then the same pattern but in a light blue. So these, of course, you could use, let me get to a page, as you could print it so then it's double-sided. So that's kind of what I mean with the background pages. So again, 20 pages for this kit, and I wanted to get Song of Winter out there for those of you who may not celebrate Christmas, but you wanted to do some crafting in December or in January. January is when I plan on making my junk journal with this kit, since December will be busy with the Christmas kit. But I wanted to get this one out and ready to go. And yeah, so this is in my Etsy shop. So if you check the link below to my Etsy shop, it will be listed there. And just like before, I will do a sale, probably a week-long sale, and then it will be regular price, just like I've done with my other kits. So if you are interested, please head on over to Etsy while the sale is going, and have a wonderfully crafty day. Okay, bye-bye.